In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email notifications in Google Forms. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can receive notifications straight to your inbox whenever someone fills out a form you've created. This feature is incredibly useful for staying updated with responses without having to constantly check back with your form. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. If you haven't already, log into the Google account associated with the form you want to adjust. Once you're in the Google Forms dashboard, locate the specific form that you've already set up and want to monitor with email notifications. Click on the form to open it. With the form open, look towards the top right corner of your screen and find the three-dot menu icon, often referred to as More or the Options menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the various options, you'll see one labeled Responses. Click on it to open the Responses section of your form. Now that you're in the Responses tab, look for the green Sheets icon. Click this icon to create or connect your form responses to a Google Sheet. This step is crucial because Google Sheets is where you'll actually set up the email notifications. If you haven't already linked your form to a spreadsheet, you'll be prompted to create a new spreadsheet. Follow the prompts to either create a new sheet or select an existing one. Once your responses are open in Google Sheets, go to the top of the window and click on the Tools tab. This will open another drop-down menu. From the menu, select the option that says Notification Rules. A new window will pop up with settings for creating rules to notify you about changes in your spreadsheet. In the Notification Rules window, you'll have a couple of choices to make. First, decide when to be notified. You can set the notifications to alert you right away for any changes to the form responses, or you can choose to receive a daily summary. Select the option that best suits your needs. Next, you need to choose how you'd like to receive the notification, either through email or a pop-up. For email notifications, simply check the appropriate box. After setting your preferences, confirm and save your notification rules by clicking the Save button. Once saved, your notification settings are active. Now, every time someone submits a response to your form, you'll receive an email notification according to the rules you've just set. And there you have it. Your Google form is now set to send you email notifications. This small setup can save you time and helps keep you informed without needing to manually check for updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your form monitoring process.